So, standard 6, now we are continuing our active passive. I have already sent you the PDF. PDF તમને મેં મોકલી દીધી છે, but now I am explaining you the lesson. So, everybody open your page number 88, grammar. Yeah? Today you will learn past continuous tense. Okay? How to change active to passive. Now Rita was writing a letter. Yeah? A letter was being, B-E-I-N-G, written, W-R-I-T-T-E-N. Write, wrote, written. So written is the past participle form of write. By Rita in passive voice. Now I was buying vegetables. So I was buying vegetables. Okay. So vegetables were. Why? It is plural. Singular if it's there, it will be was. Plural more than one. Okay. એક થી વધારે, so you will use were in your past tense, past continuous. So vegetables were being bought by me in passive. Now these children, these tables you have to learn by heart. If you know this, you know any sentence of grammar. So in maths you learn your tables, na? 2 ones are 3 ones are karo ne? And formulas. Like that in grammar you have to learn this. See, in active voice we write was or were plus ing form of the verb. Was writing. Ing form means main form of the verb plus ing. Okay? Now in passive voice we write was, were, then being, B-E-I-N-G, or plus past participle form of the verb. That means last form. We have learned, and you also learn, it is in your book. Then here I have done this exercise for you, so you will also fill. Next, change the following sentences from active to passive voice. The first one has been done for you. Seema was eating guavas. So, guavas were being eaten. Eat, ate, eaten. Yeah? By Seema. Now, this also I filled for you. Now, you take past perfect tense. In past perfect, you have to use had, H-A-D, had, completed. For had plus past tense form of the verb. She had completed the work. This is active voice. Now the work had been. With had you will write been. B-E-E-N. Completed by her. Of she will be changed to her. He to his. They to them. There here the table has been given, so you learn. Here. They completed the project. The project had been completed by them. In active voice, this you have to learn by heart. We write had plus past participle form of the verb. Had finished. In passive, we write had been plus past participle form of the verb. Had been finished. Here, this also I have filled for you. Exercises I have filled. You have to learn the formulas. Now, simple future tense. She will buy the dress later. The dress will be bought later by her. By her later. Both are correct. Will you guide me? Will I be guided by you? Passive. Now see. In active voice, we write shall or will plus root form of the verb. Root form means main form. First form. In passive voice, we write shall be, will be plus past participle form of the verb. Will be bought. Filled for you. So you all will fill. You already filled. I sent you this. On I think Monday you got it. Okay, today you must have got it. Aaj મળશે. So fill કરી લેજો. Okay, and understand the lesson. This you will get on Monday now. Videos બધી Monday આવશે. See. Future continuous tense. Verbs in the future continuous tense cannot be expressed in the passive voice. Now future perfect tense. Rita will have learned the poem by evening. Now continuous is not there, but perfect is there. The poem will have been learnt by Rita by evening. Passive. The teacher will have checked the identity cards by lunch break. The identity cards will have been checked by the teacher by lunch break. Here also, we write shall or will plus have plus past participle form of the verb. Now, I shall, we shall. You will, um, you will. He, she, it will, and they will. You know this or you don't know? See, I'll show you. Singular. Singular means how many things, children? One. Plural, more than one. Now, first person is a persons. First, second, third. First person singular is I. Plural is we. Second, you. Plural, you. And third will be he, she, it. And here, they. Okay? Here you can write shall and now will is also correct. If you write I will, it will not be wrong. And we shall. Here also you can use will. Remaining all will be will. Will and will. Understood? This everybody should know this. See now. In passive we write shall, will plus have been plus past participle form of the verb. So verbs you learn. I've already taken your tests in school and we have learned so many times. See now. The lesson will have been revised by me by Friday. Or by Friday by me. That is also correct. This I have filled for you. Now here, when the subject in the sentence in active voice is not known, no subject is there or not important, we do not mention that in a sentence in the passive voice. Somebody lost my hat. My hat was lost. Okay? Now interrogative sentences in passive voice. What is interrogative sentences, children? Interrogative means questions. Okay, this is interrogative. Pay attention and you will understand. Now when we change an interrogative sentence into a passive voice, we retain the interrogative form. Is he disturbing you? Are you being disturbed by him? And a question mark. If you do not put a question mark, I give cross and 0. So be careful. When did you bring the pet home? Now when was the pet brought home by you? Okay? Now this is your passive. This I have filled for you. Turn on page number 90. Yeah. Now see children, in this we are to use me and I. The sentences given below are rewritten in the passive voice. Change the personal pronouns which are in bold and fill in the blanks with appropriate answers from the brackets. You may refer to the personal pronouns table given earlier. Table is there already. I gave a watch to Rita. A watch was given to Rita by I will be changed to me. I kept the basket carefully. The basket was carefully kept or kept carefully by me. This also I filled for you. This also you have to fill. Only you should know the tables which are given in this. Which are active, which are passive. 10 marks question in FA from this chapter. That's why I have taken this chapter in between. એટલે મેં વચ્ચે લીધો છે, okay? 13, 14 is still left, I think. Yeah? So, and this revision exercise, that also I will ask in FA. So, this you want, I can explain you. But I have filled everything for you. બધું filled છે, see? Give the past tense and past participle forms of the verbs given in below. Sing, to sing, sang, sung. Break, broke, broken. These are given in the book. Find out everybody. Now here, fill in the blanks with the appropriate forms of the verbs given in brackets. Now BEB, B means is, am, are. The teachers as well as the students are in the auditorium. The United Kingdom, now have is given. United Kingdom has many historical cities. The stationery is not yet bought. The pair of scissors is very blunt. A lot of children are participating in the program. Now these all I have filled for you. You have to fill. This I have already sent you. કે મોકલી દીધા છે. Now I am explaining you. And page number 92. That also I have filled for you. એટલે fill કરી લેજો. Any difficulties you can ask me in Google Meet. You tell Alpana madam or your Usha madam that we want to talk to Poonam madam. हमने बात करवी છે. So I'll come to school and talk to you. Okay, bye children.